Hello everyone, this is CS5O final project. It's a weather forecast app called WeatherWise. I used OpenWeather API to implement it. For frontend I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and for backend I used Python and Flask. So let's get started and see it in action. This is our main page where we can see the small containers that shows us the information that we can derive from our OpenWeather API. Particularly we have city name, temperature, weather description, wind, humidity and sunlight. A small weather icon will appear here after searching for an actual city. So let's see it in action and search for a city. For instance, let's go with Berlin, which I have searched before. Now we can see three containers. This is the main one, and these two are one of the main features of my web application. This is clothing suggestion containers that shows us the recommendation what to wear according to this particular weather, and the second one shows us what to listen. And this is actually a button, and if we tap on it, it will direct us to the Spotify page. It has a playlist of musics. So according to my web application, we can see that in Berlin now it's autumn vibes. Also, we have a chart here. I use charts.js to implement it. It's a JavaScript framework, and this graph shows us how the temperature changes every 3 hours. My web application also contains login page. Logging is not necessary for the user, but it adds additional feature called preferences. So I'll demonstrate it now. Let's go with a pretty complex password, as I used regex authentication for security issues. Now we are on the main page, but we have two additional buttons. This is the logout button, this is the preference button. If we click on it, we will redirect it to the preferences page, where we can see the city name, weather and temperature. Cities are in descending order, which means that the most popular city that the user searched for was Baku, and the least popular was Moscow. For instance, we can search for another city called, for instance, let's go with Rome. And this city will appear at the bottom. Yep, there we have. It may take time because of the loading. And this button is a logout button, which will redirect us again on main page. So that's it. Thanks for attention, and this is CS5O.